Microsoft Team Account Setup Tutorial. Powered by Convert Generation Information Technology. What you need: your personal email account. This may include Gmail, Outlook, or any other. Process: 1. Log on to Microsoft Teams sign-up page, as mentioned on your screen. 2. Sign up with your existing account, and then click Next, as shown in the video. 3. Select the purpose, for example, I'm going for work. 4. Next. Click on Create Account button. 5. Now, provide your existing email's password, or any other. But remember, it must include a capital letter, symbol, and some number. 6. To verify your email, log on to your provided email. For instance, I'm using my Gmail account, and entered the security code. 7. Lastly, provide your personal details, as shown, and click on Sign Up button. Now, it will take some time to complete registration process. So wait a minute. Now, if you have already downloaded the Microsoft Teams app, then message will pop up saying, "Open Microsoft Teams," else you may click the button in the bottom, saying, "Use the web app instead," as shown in tutorial. All done. Now the last step, ask your course instructor to provide you the team joining link. As soon as your instructor will approve your request, you will see your Teams in the right side Teams panel. Thanks. For more queries, contact your course instructor. Have a nice day.